Guys, I fucked up.
Well,
No.
you're not stuck, are you?
Can you get up?
Wait.
Oh, he's out.
Ken,
Yeah, I
don't do
didn't
that
fuck
again.
up.
Shit.
Man,
scared the
that
But
was
shit
it's
out
close,
fun
Ken.
when that happens.
You gotta be
Where-
careful, buddy.
Boys, where are we
Well,
going?
it's not my
Down or-
fault they leave
This
unconnected
game is in
packages.
1.0. This game is fully released.
So it's not my fault.
Who just threw that?
man.
I went from
I'm nearly
having
dead.
all
I'm
the...
nearly dead. Who
Let's
threw the
patch
grenade?
up the. Oh
Boys.
shit! Christ,
Boys.
guys.
Well, you're having a laugh. What's that coming from?
Trying to...
I'm gonna watch that death cam. I don't understand what happened there. Wow.
All that I had...
I hate that fucking guy.
How can that even be possible? Seriously.
Well, to be fair...
We're all in one spot, but, you know.
That's gonna be on fucking YouTube. I know it.
Oh, who wants an AR flash hider? Because I...
Oh no. He's got the suppressor.
Oh boy.
yeah.
Okay.
Do you know what that means? You know what that means? It means we're gonna get shot at.
People
yeah.
Well.
right for us.
Where are we going to head into the circle? Because I'm going to loot
Whoa,
in a specific
whoa.
direction.
Christ, Ken, come on.
Should we go
Hey,
this
I'm
way?
a pretty good shot with iron sights.
Let's not do this, boys. 'Cause-
Yeah.
yeah,
Alright.
I know. Guy to the left of us, going to this tree. He's 255, running to the tree
I
here.
see him. Oh, he's prone. He's prone.
Dead.
Shots
Good
on me.
shooting.
The fuckboy hat. There must be someone in that fuckboy hat.
I smashed one at a tree. 290. Knocked.
Base of the tree running. Dead.
Good shooting.
Nice. We had guys northwest.
Yeah, base of a tree. 345.
Hit. He's hit twice.
Dead.
Down.
Knocked.
Guy behind him going up to that tree. Gonna res. Hit him twice.
We can push
There's
the
three
circle on
guys.
this mound. Push the circle on this mound. 3 seconds. I'm checking my right hand flank. You guys
checking
keep
the
looking
left.
ahead.
It's just us and them.
Yep, cool.
One down, probably res by now. 2 guys up by the trees.
I just threw a grenade out to the left. That's
No,
a
there's 4.
diversion.
Okay, they're 330. They're behind those trees. Just be careful.
I'm taking shots.
Yeah, movement. Knocked.
They going out.
Dead. There's
2 more.
to our left, boys. The circle is. We can get in and hold.
I just saw one prone. Behind a tree.
I'm
Smash.
just healing.
Pushing right.
Oh shit, he's on me on the right. Ken, he's to your right, Ken. I think he's right on your right, Ken. I'm not sure.
No, they're right in front of me.
And there's one still behind the tree on blue marker.
Dead.
I've killed one.
All right, one left.
That's the one
One
on the
to 2,
tree.
Ken.
On me.
Kill.
Go ahead.
There we go.
Done, guys. 2 in
Oh,
a
nice.
row.